Sick of squeezing massive RVs into tight campsites and paying a fortune just to hit the road? You're not alone. While some overlook pop-up camper vans for their size, the truth is, they offer unmatched flexibility, affordability, and adventure-ready design. From ultra-modular builds to a concept van that actually made it to production, and even a fan-favorite classic making a long-awaited return to the US, these pop-up campers might just change the way you travel. So buckle up as we dive into the coolest pop-up camper vans you've never heard of. Noovo Pop. Kicking off with the Noovo Pop, a feature-packed 2024 Ram ProMaster 159 extended camper van that takes off-grid living to the next level. Designed for adventurers who crave comfort and flexibility, this van features a pop-top roof tent that expands the sleeping capacity to 4, complete with USB charging ports, reading lights, and a MaxxAir fan for ventilation. Built for off-grid performance, the Noovo Pop is powered by 200-watt solar panels, a 660 amp-hour Lithionics lithium battery system, and alternator charging, ensuring you stay powered no matter where the road takes you. The interior is as functional as it is stylish, featuring a 40-gallon fresh and gray water system, soft close cabinets, and Noovo's signature rounded overhead storage for a sleek, modern look. The kitchen setup is top tier, offering an induction cooktop, a deep sink with UV-filtered drinking water, and ample counter space. A spacious dinette with car seat anchors makes it perfect for families, while the queen-size memory foam bed in the rear provides ultimate relaxation. Add in a full wet bath with a real flush cassette toilet and instant hot water, plus a power awning with built-in LED lighting, and this van is truly ready for any adventure. 2025 Rize 18G. Up next, the 2025 Rize 18G, a compact yet highly capable camper van designed for adventurers who need a perfect balance of mobility and comfort. Built on the Ram 1500 XT chassis, this 17 feet 11-inch van is shorter than most pickup trucks, making city driving and tight parking a breeze. Under the hood, a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine delivers 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, ensuring smooth cruising, though its 3,500-pound towing capacity may not suit heavy haulers. Inside, the well-equipped kitchen includes a 2-burner gas cooktop, microwave, and 12-volt refrigerator, everything needed for meal prep on the go. Sleeping arrangements feature a convertible bed setup with an optional Skybunk pop top, though it lacks built-in AC, requiring a USB fan for ventilation. Climate control is handled by a 6,000 BTU cabinet-mounted AC unit and a Truma Combi ecosystem for heating and hot water. The wet bath includes a cassette toilet, retractable sink, and vent fan, while off-grid features like solar power, a 1,000-watt inverter, and a 2,800-watt generator make extended travel possible. Just keep storage and water limitations in mind. Perfect for solo travelers or couples, the Rize 18G is a nimble, well-equipped choice for urban explorers and weekend adventurers alike. Tail Skyloft. Taking luxury off-grid travel to the next level, the Skyloft van by Tail Overland transforms the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter into a 2-story adventure rig. Known for their carbon fiber rooftop tents, the Colorado-based company has now integrated its Skyloft into a full-fledged overland camper. Built to order with a 16-month lead time, this AWD Sprinter comes with off-road suspension, a 2-inch lift, skid plates, and all-terrain tires for rugged exploration. Exterior upgrades include a custom bumper, 12K Warn winch, Baja off-road lights, an auto awning, and a rear tire carrier. Inside, the raised U-shaped lounge converts into a double bed for kids, leaving a gear garage below. Up top, the Skyloft tent features a memory foam mattress, dedicated climate control, and a secure ladder for access. The van's gourmet kitchen includes a double-drawer fridge, convection microwave, and swivel front seats with a removable work table. A heated enclosed bathroom and triple water tank system, 40, 30, and 45 gallons, ensure off-grid comfort. Powering it all, a 14 kilowatt-hour battery, 330-watt solar, 7-kilowatt alternator, and 3.2 kilowatt inverter, making this the ultimate overlanding home on wheels. Crosscamp 541. Next up, the Crosscamp 541, a compact yet ultra-modular camper van built for travelers who crave flexibility without sacrificing comfort. Built on the Opel Movano platform, this van features a removable kitchen block and bed, allowing users to customize the space for travel, work, or daily driving. The kitchen module includes a sink with 10-liter fresh and wastewater tanks, and a 2-burner gas stove running on a small 1.8-liter bottle, while the 70-liter compressor fridge operates entirely on battery power, though extended off-grid trips may require extra capacity. A diesel-powered heater ensures warmth without relying on gas, while the central control panel manages onboard power, lighting, and battery monitoring. Multiple 12-volt and 230-volt outlets provide flexible charging options, and dimmable LED lighting enhances the cozy atmosphere. Inside, the multifunctional couch pairs with swiveling front seats for a cozy dinette, then easily converts into a bed for two. An optional pop-up roof expands the sleeping capacity to 4, complete with a panoramic opening for breathtaking views. Features like blackout blinds, mosquito nets, and a retractable awning add to its all-weather versatility. Compact, customizable, and adventure-ready, the Crosscamp 541 is built for explorers who need a van that adapts to their journey. Hymer Venture S. The Hymer Venture S is one of those select few concept campers that actually saw its way to production. At first glance, its striking metallic blue exterior and rugged 18-inch BF Goodrich tires hint at the adventure-ready nature of this high-end motorhome. Inside, Hymer has crafted a space that feels both futuristic and cozy. One standout feature is the built-in steps leading to the upper sleeping area. These aren't just for convenience, they double as cleverly concealed storage compartments. The rear deck, finished in durable bamboo, extends your living space outdoors, offering a perfect spot to relax with a view. But perhaps the most innovative feature is the cloud-like pop-up sleeping area. More than just a loft bed, it's thermally insulated and self-inflating, ensuring a warm, comfortable sleep even in colder conditions. Designed for off-grid adventures, the Venture S boasts a 120-liter freshwater tank, solar panels, and a powerful diesel heating system, making it ideal for extended trips away from civilization. It's a 2-person camper built for those who demand both rugged capability and uncompromising comfort. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or parked by the coast, the Hymer Venture S is a dream home on wheels. Vanlife Customs Pops. Meet Pops, a fully customized 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 by Vanlife Customs, designed for adventure in any season. This low-roof, 144-inch wheelbase van features a motorized pop-top that expands headroom and sleeping space, revealing a queen-size memory foam bed for ultimate comfort. Inside, the black walnut kitchenette is equipped with an induction cooktop, undermount sink, and a push-to-open locking drawer system, while a 12-volt isotherm fridge with freezer keeps snacks fresh. A 20-gallon water system and an S-Bar diesel heater ensure off-grid convenience, making any journey feel like home. The driver's side wall is packed with storage cabinets, along with a smart TV that can be swapped for shelves. Seating includes a DOT-approved 2-person foldable seat with child latches and a bench that easily converts into a small daybed, complemented by a Lagoon swivel table that creates a versatile workspace. Powering the van is a 220 amp-hour lithium battery system, a 160-watt solar panel, and Bluetooth battery monitoring, keeping 110-volt outlets and a 2,000-watt inverter running smoothly. Exterior upgrades include ditch lights, an awning, upgraded suspension, Fox shocks, and all-terrain tires, ensuring Pops is ready for any adventure. Westfalia Wave. The 2025 Road Trek, Westfalia Wave revives the iconic Westfalia camper van, blending nostalgia with modern van life. Built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, it features a 3.6-liter engine, a 360-degree camera system, and a power awning for convenience. The spacious rear cargo area includes an elevated bed platform with ample storage, while the outdoor shower port and cassette toilet add practicality. Inside, swivel captain seats create a cozy lounge that converts into a rare front bed option. The full kitchen includes a 12-volt fridge, a 2-burner propane stove, and plenty of storage. The rear bed is roomy enough to sleep in any direction, complemented by crank-out windows for ventilation. A full wet bath offers a shower, sink, and toilet. With 38 gallons of fresh water and 26 gallons of gray water capacity, it stands out among Class B motorhomes. Overhead storage runs throughout, making it a great option for travelers needing space. Whether you're a longtime Westfalia fan or new to van life, the Wave delivers classic charm with modern upgrades, offering adventure seekers a well-equipped and stylish camper van experience. Well, they might not be the coolest pop-up camper vans you've never heard of now that you've actually heard of them, but you guys sure are the coolest for making it this far into the video. If you enjoyed it, then drop a like, and while you're at it, subscribe. We've got plenty more great options for you right here.